Okay, here we are at the halfway point in the Danchuk photo shoot. This is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing. As you can see, we're out here in the parking lot. We've had another arrival, the black 57 sitting over there. This is the black 56 you saw being photographed earlier. A little video on that. We're at Red Gum Studios here, and just kind of like walking along here. Of course, the Danchuk 57 sitting right there. She was the first one up. Like I said, we're at the halfway point. The next one on the block is this beautiful black 57 two-door hardtop. We want to get a bunch of photo shots of this car as well. This one's getting prepped, ready to get on the turntable here next. We'll probably break for lunch probably after that one. This is a pretty neat place, though. We're just cruising along. Nice little parking place here. There's the Red Gum logo for you. It's for the studio. And anywho, kind of a nice discreet place to do a photo shoot. They do all kinds of stuff here. Some of the guys visiting that drove in. We had people from all over Southern California coming out here to see us. We get a little closer shot of this black 57 that's getting wiped down, getting prepped for the photo shoot. So just coming along. It's going to be a beautiful car once it gets under the lights. We've got about 3 or 4 more cars after this. Again, we're going to break for lunch after this. We'll come in here and check on the progress of our 55 being photographed right now. So we'll move along in here. Back into where the magic happens. People being photographed. And there you go, there's our 55. Which is being photographed. Like I mentioned earlier, it's got very old school. It's got the hood scoop, the rear-facing hood scoop, and the lake pipes on it. The classic slot max here. Let's pan out a little bit here and drop her down. Yeah, but this is where it goes. It goes from out in the parking lot into here to be photo shoot, and just where all the